Why does the U.S. Navy's most advanced aircraft carrier launch jets, using the same force as a bolt of lightning? Let me explain. When most people see a fighter jet blast off an aircraft carrier, they assume it's pure engine power doing all the work. But in reality, the jet's engines alone are nowhere near powerful enough to reach takeoff speed on a deck that short. For decades, carriers solved this using steam. A massive piston hidden in a slot on the deck would violently hurl the aircraft forward, going from 0 to 165 miles per hour in about 2 seconds. It worked, but steam catapults are brutally unreliable. They slam every aircraft with the same force, whether it's a 50,000-pound bomber or a lightweight drone, and that constant brutal shock was quietly cracking airframes and destroying equipment for years. So the Navy spent billions developing something called EMALS, a system that uses enormous electromagnetic coils to store energy and release it in a single, perfectly controlled burst. The force adjusts automatically for every aircraft, smooth, precise, and tunable to the exact pound. But here's the craziest part. When the USS Gerald Ford launched with EMALS installed, the system failed constantly. It broke down so often that the carrier couldn't reliably launch aircraft at all. The Navy had spent $13 billion on a ship whose most critical system worked less reliably than the 1950s steam technology it was designed to replace. And every single fix cost more than the last one.